So this is the trade that I am setting up to take. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky here with TechBud Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing Monday. Today is July 17th, and I want to talk about what the main focus for the market is this week, and that is this week is the start of earnings week. Now, it's not incredibly big companies on the tech side of things. This week, we have a lot of banks reporting earnings. We have Tesla reporting earnings on Wednesday, which is my biggest focus this week. Just a little heads up if you guys didn't know, Tesla reports earnings this Wednesday after the market closes. This is something that I'm thinking about live streaming on my YouTube channel, but I'll leave it up to you guys. Get this video to over 1,000 likes, and I'd be more than happy to host that live session. Next week is when we have big tech reporting earnings like Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Google. It should be a lot of fun. Now, let's go ahead and just dive right into this. What am I waiting for as of right now? Now, I'm trying to be very careful because obviously with earnings coming up, markets can quickly shift, right? One thing that I want to take into consideration is not only earnings, but also what is the market's expectation for the next FOMC meeting. As of right now, there's still a 96% probability that the Federal Reserve is going to raise interest rates. And again, that's a big no-no normally for the stock market, meaning that the market normally goes down when interest rates go up, making it more expensive for people to borrow money. When it comes down to the Federal Reserve calendar, this week on Tuesday, we have the Vice Chair Michael Barr tomorrow at 10 a.m., which is 30 minutes after the market opens, that is going to be speaking in front of, let me go ahead and double check this. This was not what I was thinking. At the National Fair Housing Alliance 2023 National Conference in Washington, D.C. I would just be cautious, right? It's not Jerome Powell speaking, who's the head of the Federal Reserve, but Michael Barr, obviously being the vice chair. If he says anything that was not expected or already taken into consideration, then obviously the market could shift. And again, it's just good to be aware when someone significant is speaking, because if there tends to be volatility, then you know where it's coming from, right? The only other thing is we do have big banks reporting earnings starting tomorrow. If I'm not mistaken, we have like JP Morgan, Bank of America, all those good companies reporting earnings this upcoming week. So those will most likely influence the Dow Jones and not so much the S&P 500. Now, when it comes down to the trade that I'm waiting to take, or really taking right now, is I'm slowing things down today. I don't know about you, but I'm tired of over trading, and it's such a common mistake that I make from time to time. So slowing things down, instead of being on the 1 minute time frame and entering impulsive trades just because it breaks below or breaks above the EMA, I'm slowing down on the 5 minute time frame, and I'm trying to wait for more proper confirmation. So as of right now, I'm waiting for NASDAQ to break below the 5 minute EMA and that super trend, getting confirmation of a sell-off, and then I can step on the gas on SQQQ. Again, just because I'm waiting to do something does not mean that you need to, but overall, I think that we can all agree, and let me know down in the comment section if you've ever struggled with over trading. Being more selective and focusing on larger time frames tends to encourage you to be more selective and not overtrade as often, as it takes more to move a stock on the larger time frames. If you haven't tried that already and you're paper trading right now, maybe it's a good time to test that out, especially if you find yourself over trading very often. If you ever have any questions, I hope that you know that you can always send me a direct message via Discord, and that's going to be the first link in the description down below. One of the last things is economic reports that were released today, nothing very significant. Tomorrow we have retail sales. That's going to be 1 hour before the market opens. And the reason I share this with you is because if the market is volatile before the actual market actually opens, then this is most likely where it's stemming from, or the earning reports that were released before the market opens. So again, I just want to make sure that you understand the why behind why the market is moving, and the rest, again, we can always just stay patient and follow to react. If you have any questions, you guys know exactly how to reach out to me. Again, I do trade live every single morning. I'd love to see you tomorrow for our live session, and that's going to be the second link in the description down below. If you ever wanted to see what it's like to see someone buy, sell, lock in profits, cut losses, I do this every single day in front of my LPP team, and I would love for you to get a look of what that's like. And again, that's that second link in the description down below. And as you can see, QQQ, again, holding above EMA. So what that means is, again, this 5 minute time frame is really helping me keep it simple and not overtrade, as we are still above the EMA on the 5 minute time frame, meaning that as of right now, NASDAQ is still bullish, so there's no reason to add to a short position. Really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope that earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And again, if you want me to host that Tesla live stream, make sure you drop a thumbs up, get this video to over 1,000 likes, and I'll see you on Wednesday after the market closes for that Tesla earning report live stream. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.